Do you have plans to revamp your home anytime soon? There are countless wood furniture and wooden decor pieces you can use to do just that. Wood decor pieces play a vital role in transforming a home, bringing warmth, texture, and a sense of nature indoors. Incorporating wood into interior design has become increasingly popular, as it not only enhances aesthetics but also contributes to a more inviting and comfortable atmosphere. The natural beauty of wood can evoke feelings of tranquility and coziness, making any space feel more like home. When considering the impact of wood decor, it's essential to understand its versatility. Wood can complement various design styles, from rustic and traditional to modern and minimalist. This adaptability allows homeowners to personalize their spaces while maintaining a cohesive look. The rich grains, varied hues, and unique textures of wood create visual interest, drawing the eye and adding depth to a room. Whether through accent pieces, wall decor, or larger structural elements, wood can significantly enhance the overall design narrative. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood furniture and wood decor pieces ideas to revamp your home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to our channel to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In addition to aesthetics, wood decor can also enhance the functionality of a space. Wooden shelves, for instance, provide practical storage solutions while adding visual appeal. They can be used to display books, plants, or cherished items, allowing homeowners to showcase their personalities. This functionality is vital in smaller spaces, where every piece of furniture needs to serve a dual purpose. Similarly, wood decor can help define areas within an open floor plan, creating a sense of separation without the need for physical barriers. One of the most compelling aspects of wood decor is its ability to create a connection with nature. In an age where urban living often distances us from the natural world, wood pieces can bridge that gap. The organic feel of wood brings a sense of the outdoors inside, fostering a serene environment that can alleviate the stresses of daily life. This connection to nature can be particularly beneficial in spaces where relaxation and rejuvenation are the goals, such as living rooms, bedrooms, and reading nooks. Wooden decor also possesses an inherent timelessness that makes it a valuable addition to any home. Unlike trends that come and go, wood has a classic appeal that endures. It can age gracefully, developing a patina that adds character over time. This quality ensures that wood decor remains relevant and stylish, even as other elements of a home may change. Homeowners can invest in wooden pieces knowing they will stand the test of time, both in terms of durability and design. Furthermore, the craftsmanship involved in creating wooden decor pieces often reflects a level of artistry that can elevate a home's ambience. Handcrafted wooden items carry a story and a sense of individuality that mass-produced pieces lack. This uniqueness can make a space feel more curated and intentional. When homeowners choose to incorporate artisanal wood decor, they are not just selecting items, they are investing in creativity and skill, which can resonate deeply within the space. The emotional connection to wood decor also plays a significant role in its impact on a home. Many people have fond memories associated with wood, whether it's family gatherings around a wooden dining table or cozy evenings by a wooden fireplace. These memories can evoke nostalgia and warmth, creating a comforting atmosphere that is especially important in personal spaces. By incorporating wood decor, homeowners can cultivate an environment that feels familiar and inviting, enhancing the overall experience of living in the space. In terms of color and texture, wood can serve as a neutral backdrop or a vibrant focal point, depending on the homeowner's preferences. Lighter woods, such as maple or birch, can brighten a room and make it feel more spacious, while darker woods like walnut or mahogany can add depth and richness. The varied textures of wood, from smooth finishes to rough-hewn surfaces, can create a dynamic interplay that keeps the eye engaged. This versatility allows for endless possibilities in design, enabling homeowners to experiment with different styles and combinations. The role of wood decor in creating a cohesive design theme should not be underestimated. When used thoughtfully, wood can act as a unifying element throughout a home. For example, a wooden coffee table can complement wooden picture frames and shelving, establishing a consistent look that ties rooms together. This cohesion is essential in larger homes, where maintaining a sense of flow between spaces can be challenging. By strategically placing wood decor pieces, homeowners can create harmony and balance, enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal. Moreover, wood decor pieces can also contribute to sustainability in home design. Many wooden items are sourced from renewable resources, making them an eco-friendly choice compared to synthetic materials. Homeowners who prioritize sustainability can feel good about their choices when incorporating wood into their decor. Additionally, many artisans and companies are committed to responsible sourcing and sustainable practices, further aligning wood decor with environmentally conscious design. Incorporating wood decor into a home also allows for personal expression. Each piece can reflect the homeowner's style, preferences, and experiences. Whether it's a reclaimed wood shelf that tells a story of history or a handcrafted decorative bowl that showcases unique craftsmanship, wood decor can become a representation of individuality. This personal touch can make a house feel more like a home, fostering a sense of belonging and comfort. The tactile nature of wood adds another dimension to interior design. The warmth of wood invites touch, creating a sensory experience that enhances the overall atmosphere of a space. Unlike colder materials such as metal or glass, wood feels inviting and cozy, encouraging interaction. This tactile quality can be particularly beneficial in spaces designed for relaxation or socialization, where comfort is paramount. As trends in interior design evolve, the role of wood decor continues to grow. Contemporary designs often emphasize minimalism and clean lines. Yet wood provides an organic counterbalance that softens these aesthetics. By integrating wood decor into modern spaces, homeowners can achieve a look that is both stylish and welcoming. This balance is essential in creating environments that feel lived in and comfortable, rather than stark or impersonal. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wood decor pieces ideas to revamp your home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.